guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. Okay, for today's episode, okay, will be something about the audio again. Okay, as you can see from the title, okay, today's episode we're going to add in an amplifier, okay, and all the necessary wiring, okay, and a subwoofer to the F10. Right, so for those of you who have been here for a while, okay, you have seen that I've added a DSP in the front. Okay, I've done a bit of stuff in the sound system. Okay, I changed out the speakers also. Okay, if you all like to see all those videos, they'll be in the link up here. Alright, so guys, okay, today we'll be adding the subwoofer. Right, so before we start, okay, for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe because we have a lot of videos like this coming up. Right, so without further ado, I'm going to show you, okay, what I bought. Right, so what I bought, okay, I actually bought a wiring kit, okay, online. Right, links will be in the description down below, right, and also an amplifier. Okay, the amplifier I bought, okay, is called the Woody amplifier. Alright, I mean a lot of you guys have been laughing at the name, okay, Woody. Okay, actually in Chinese, I believe it stands for Wudi, which is not Woody, okay, it's Wudi, okay, which is invincible. We'll actually see how this amplifier works, okay, and how good is it, and is it really invincible. Alright, so guys, without further ado, we are going to start this video. Alright, so let's go! Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole fix. Right, so it actually took me a long time, okay, and it's almost evening now. I started in the morning. Right, so actually it's a very easy thing, okay, but the thing is, you know, when I pair up the pieces and all this, right? So I'll be thinking like, you know, why not I do this too? Why not I do the soundproofing too and all this? So, you know, it actually adds on to the whole duration. Right, so guys, okay, we have come to the end of the video. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button. Remember to subscribe. Okay, we'll have a lot of videos like this coming up. And for those of you who have any ideas, okay, you want to see this, you want to see that, okay, drop down in the comments down below. Right, so give me more ideas also. Right, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy, like and subscribe. Bye.